everyone, my name is LyricRochester. Welcome to my channel. Today for Vlogmas I'll be using the Jamrock palette by Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. That's the name of the line. It's a long name, but the colors are bomb. These are the colors that you guys will be seeing today, and I don't know if you know me by now, but I love colors and I try to use every one, honey. Like, we have a good representation of every color except the white one. I am sorry. Girl, Yolondo, Woody, come here. Woody, it's a one with a bag of things, a crocus bag of things, a scandal bag of things. It is going on. So I don't want to make this intro too long. I'm filming with my Sony a5100. I really hope the breeze not blowing in, because I have to have the fan on. I need to set up on me because this camera overheats and I'm annoyed. So anyway, enjoy the video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. 31 days of pure makeup slayage on myself and on my friends. Let's go, honey. That's my phone, not yours. Alright, guys, I'm going to be using the pomade, brow pomade, from, oh my gosh, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. So I'm using that, and it reminds me of like a MAC paint pot. That's what it reminds me of, a MAC paint pot. And I'm not using like an angled brush or whatever. It's just a two-sided brush that you get in a Anastasia, like Beverly Hills palettes. I'm just using that. So yeah, Juvia's Place number 13 concealer, and I'm also going to be using CoverGirl's full spectrum CoverGirl All Day Idol brightening concealer, and that's all I see on it. I don't see no name. On the bottom of the glass I see a number 8226. I don't know what that means. And where's my angled brush? Okay, good. So just going to tap this on. This is how I typically do my brows too, so just like nothing new here, nothing new to report. This is how I would do my brows. The CoverGirl full spectrum, and I'm using my Sony a5100 to record this video. This is actually my vlogging camera. Yes, wait, don't shake my hand, puppy. Yeah. Okay, I love the packaging. It's really, it doesn't feel cheap at all. My only issue is the white, but because of the material, you can just wipe it off. Alright, then, cool. Just all over translucent setting powder. So let's go in with Vibes, and I already know that this is going to be, oh wow, see that is hella pigmented. Okay, the thing is, it's not taking a lot out of me to let these colors show up, you know what I mean? And I'm not wearing like a primer. Of course I have foundation on my eyes, but I always have foundation on my eyes even before I put a primer on, like the LA Pro primer in like nude or white, you know, or even black, because I can't, those are primers, so I would put those down before I do eyeshadow work. And underneath that I'm wearing like my foundation powders, like what I have on now, you know. So I'm pleasantly surprised. Then let's switch brushes. Okay, so let's take Moves, and Moves is this green. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh. Alright, so that is what color? Moves. Clean up this rock a bit. Then let's go in with Jam Down. That color there. Let's put Jam Down here. Too much, oh. That's nice. Too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Let's go with colors. Love me too much. Oh. Should I put colors at the beginning and then put jam down in the middle, you know? I don't, should I do? But you live and you learn. Lord of God. Look at me on LyricRochester. Who you voting for? Labour. I definitely wanted a half cut crease. So let me grab my Juvia's concealer in number 13. Let me grab my brush that I used to do my brows. And let's do a half. Alright, so we'll have this. I'm just going to clean here or blend this out rather. To blend out. Then I'm going to go in with a small brush. I hope I found it. And then let's add some color in that area, right? Let's go with pinks, blues, yellows. Let's go in with oranges and reds. Let's do that. So let's go in with, oh my god, Trini. Which is that color there. Bubble like soup, bubble like soup. Hey, hot girl, sweet like a honey. X to the 5 when I drive in a son. My man have a new G on it. Man come up and I beg them no money. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, okay. Okay, blend. You're not blending. I don't know what the issue are, but you need to blend. Alright, and then let's go in with danger. Danger. Been so long. And purples. Let's go in with, let's go in with the this champ music. Let's go with music. Rebel. Wow, look at that. Look at that. These colors are, look at that. These are so vibrant. Wow, honey. Why you not like? Honey. Alright. Get that off. Let's go in with flavor. Guys, I'm loving how this is turning out. Okay, let me just say that. I did not know what I was gonna do when I started this look. Now it's turned into a whole thing, a whole debacle, honey. I have rehearsals tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I quite like that, but I think I want to add Champion over music just to lighten it up, you know. And again, I'm not wearing any primers except the one for up here, which I used to blend out. So that could be considered a primer, but I'm not putting it on for the colors to pop. These colors are popping all on their own. Going back in with Rebel. These colors are doing what they want to do. Okay, honey, these colors are shining all on their own. Wow, I love that shape, that like oval shape that I'm doing now. That's nice. Hey, you girl, in the tight up skirt. Alright. Let me just. Ooh, you know what I could do? I could add like a neon green here. Let's go in with moves. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. So alright, so I lined my eyes with my LA Pro Primer in black, and I have my concealer again right here to apply the colors on top of it. You got a tight up skirt. Okay, so that's that. Let's see if I can do yellow. Okay, so let's try bling. Hey, you got another skirt. Welcome to Jamrock. Oh, now we in a van back, it in a handbag. That's the color when there's primer underneath it. So much of fancy. Okay, so let's do oranges and reds. So let's see what Kingston. Ooh, no. Ooh, let's do colors. It's a nice one. Alright. I bleach with a few club sodas. Bedtime stories. Going out in a back pocket. Yeah. Y'all. Then let's do blue, purple, red. Let's do red, and let's do crowd. Then I'm going to go back in with colors. And then I'm actually going to be going in with, wow, yeah, with Bam Bam, that's the black. Alright, so this is what we have. So we're looking like hella colorful. I'm not sure like this right here, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that. Let me see if I can grab a brush and fix it real quick. Let's go over it with Vibes. Which color did you use again? Bling. And then let's go back in with colors. Alright. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Trips collection from Yardie Cosmetics, and this is in Purple Yam. Right, so this is the finished look, you guys. No blush, just eyes, lashes, and lips. I love the colors. I love the color payoff of this palette, you guys. This is everything. Yolondo, good job, mama. Good job. Love this palette. Love the color payoff. Good job, Yolondo. Really good job. And just the colors. Just the colors, they're absolutely gorgeous, so vibrant. And what, as you guys saw, once you put your base underneath it, it pops out on you, honey. But this is what we're looking like, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it to bits and pieces. This is it. So this so this video was a little bit long. Let me clean up. So this video was a little bit long. I'm going to go ahead and try and edit this down, and I like skip out some steps or whatever and keep the main steps in because this video was really long. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Jumped out the whip. Now we ain't got no problems. About to kill it. Ain't nothing that gon' stop us. They can feel it, but they all in the feelings. You can get it, tell them all better get it. Make you feel it, and it's all alright.